Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to our online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabazar, Gorakhpur. My dear student, in my previous video we have started chapter number 7, that is nouns, gender, and we have already learned about that what is gender and how many kinds of gender in our previous video. So in today's video I am going to explain the exercises of this chapter. So for that, first of all, you all take out your Tune Into Grammar book and open page number 37. On page number 37 there is a topic about gender. So dear student, we have learned that gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female noun. What is gender? So we have learned that gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female nouns. It means gender indicates the sex of a person, animal, bird, insect. For example, masculine and feminine, these are the kinds of gender, and we have already learned that there are 4 kinds of gender, and number 1 is masculine gender, second is a feminine gender, third is neuter gender, and fourth is common gender. Okay student, so we have already do this given activity in book and also learn about the what is masculine, feminine, neuter and common gender. So one more time we are going to revise again that what is masculine gender. So in masculine gender we have learned that nouns that stand for males are said to be in the masculine gender. What is masculine gender? So in masculine gender we have learned that nouns that stand for males are said to be in the masculine gender. For example, man, father, uncle, son, tiger, etc. In second, feminine gender, nouns that stand for females are said to be in the feminine gender. For example, we can say woman, mother, aunt, daughter, tigress, etc. In third gender is neuter gender. And what is neuter gender? So in neuter gender we have learned that nouns that are neither male nor female. What is neuter gender? Nouns that are neither male or nor female are said to be in the neuter gender. For example, we can say chair, car, pen, book, room, wood, house, sofa, etc. Now the next is there is a fourth gender is this is the common gender. And what is common gender? So we have learned in common gender that nouns that can be used for both males and females are said to be in the common gender. For example, we can say teacher, doctor, cousin, parents, shopkeeper, police, etc. Okay student, so we have already learned that how could we change masculine noun into feminine by adding -s. So here are some examples that we have already learned, and student, I have already given you the homework that you must be learn this given masculine and feminine words. Okay, so now in today's video I'm going to explain the exercises of this chapter. So there is a first that is given on page number 40. So what will we do in this given exercise? So according to the knowledge of gender we are going to solve the given exercise. So student, first of all we have to learn the given heading, that is underline the masculine nouns and encircle the feminine noun in this passage. Okay, so as you can see at your screen there is a passage. So in this passage what will we do? So here we have to underline the masculine noun, it means who stand for the male person, and we have to circle the feminine noun, it means for the female. Okay, so let's do the given exercise. So first of all we have to read this given passage. So first is, my niece and my nephew visit my grandfather in the village and gave me a description of the place. So here is the word niece. So niece is an example of feminine, so we have to circle it. Nephew is the example of masculine, so we have to underline it, and grandfather is also example of masculine, so we have to underline it. Okay, now the next stage. According to them, in the village my grandfather has a big farm that has cows, bulls, hens, rooster, a goose and a gander, and even an old mare which lives in a stable. So here we have to underline and circle. So first of all we are going to underline the masculine words, that is grandfather, rooster, gander. Okay, so these are the masculine words. Now we are going to circle the feminine words. So that are cows, those are cows, hens, mayor. So like this we have to underline or circle. Now the next is, they said that my grandfather. Again, grandfather is a masculine word, so we have to underline it. Milkmaid is a feminine, so we have to circle it. Now the to milk the cows, cows is a feminine, so we have to circle it. She tells the milk to the villagers. There is a fisherman, fisherman is a masculine word, so we have to underline. Now who lives nearby and delivers fresh fish to the house? My grandmother, so we have to circle it. My grandmother is mostly ill and has a nurse, so nurse is a neuter common gender. Okay, nurse is a feminine word, so we have to circle it. Okay, not common gender, it's example of feminine, so we have to circle it. Now the my uncle, so we have to underline. And aunt, aunt is a feminine, so we have to circle it. Who live in the village close by often pay them a visit. It seemed that my grandfather, so we have to underline, leads a simple life. So like this we have to underline or circle the given masculine and feminine words. Now we are moving to the next exercise, which is given on the next page, on page number 41. So student, in this exercise we have to encircle the odd word in each set. State the reason. Okay, here we have to encircle the given odd words. So let's circle the given odd words. So student, there is a first is prince, king, countenance and governor. So we have to circle the given word countenance. Now the second is cousin, uncle, friend, neighbor. So here we have to circle the given word uncle. In third, table, chair, you and books. So here we have to circle word that is you. Okay, now fourth is mayor, fox, doe, duck. So we have to circle the given word fox. In number 5 here, baron, mistress, hunter. So here we have to circle the given word mistress. Now 6 is teacher, student, sir, principal. So here we have to circle the word student. Okay, in number 7, nest, bird, leaves, wood. So we have to circle bird. Okay, and 8 is nun, peacock, witch, vixen. So here we have to circle peacock. Now the next 9 is spinster, earl, host and drake. So we have to circle spinster. In 10, parents, doctor, nurse and stethoscope. Okay student, so we have to circle stethoscope. Okay, so now we have to doing one more things, that is state the reasons why we circle the given words. So in number 1 you can see there is a prince, king, countenance and governor. So countenance is a feminine word, so we have to circle it, and these all are the examples of masculine words. Okay, in second there is a cousin, uncle, friend, neighbor. Okay, so these are the examples of common gender, and uncle is a example of masculine genders. So that's why we circle this given word uncle. Okay, so like this we have to write the state reason for all the words. Okay students, so you have to do it. Now there is a notes, very important notes for you, that noun in the neuter gender are non-living things, while noun in the common gender are living things. It's a very important for you that you must be remember that in a neuter gender the nouns are non-living things, while nouns in the common gender are living things. Okay student, now we are moving to the next exercise. There is, what will we do in this given exercise C? So rewrite these sentences by changing the gender of the highlighted words, make other necessary changes. Okay student, so here we have going to change the given the gender of the highlighted word, and we also make the other necessary changes. Okay, so in first you can see there is a the which cast a spell on the monk. Okay, so we have to change this given both word. First is which and second is monk. So what will we do? Which become in which is a feminine word, so we should change this given feminine word into masculine, so it will be wizard. And monk is a masculine word, so it will be feminine. Okay, so it will be nun. So the wizard cast a spell on the nun. Okay, next is the doe heard the sound and run away. So we have to change the given doe word into, so doe is the example of feminine word, so we have to change this given doe into feminine. In masculine, so it will be bug. Okay, do is a feminine word, so we should change this given feminine word into masculine, so it will be bug in masculine form. Okay, now the next, the sentence will be the bug heard the sound and ran away. Now the third is the bride will become the new countess. Okay, so we have to change this given both word into masculine form. Now the fourth is the governor met the landlady for a discussion, so we should change the given word governor and landlady. Now the fifth is the stage managed to escape from the fox and the tiger, so we should change this given three words that is highlighted in the number 5. Now in number 6 there is a the queen and the prince will be visiting the duck, so we have to change this given word, that is queen, prince and duck. Now the next is in number 7, the gander, the hen and the ewe were very good friends, so we have to change this given word. Okay, now next is number 8, the he bear, bull elephant went out in search of food, so we should change the given highlighted word he bear and bull elephants. Now the next is number 9, Mr. Ghosh went to New Delhi with his uncle and nephew, so we should change the given word Mr. Ghosh, uncle and nephew. Now the next is number 10, the master was not at home when the main servant came for work. Dear students, it is very simple for you that you should change this given word into masculine word into feminine and feminine word into masculine. Okay, so it's a homework for you, you have to do it. Okay, you should do this given exercise C at your home. Now we're moving to the next exercise, that is exercise D. Now in the next exercise, in exercise D, what will we do in this exercise D? So dear student, in exercise D there is a exercise, fill in the blanks with suitable common gender. No two blanks should have the same answer. Here is the instruction for you that no two blanks should have the same answer and you have to fill in the blanks with the suitable common genders. Okay, so in number 1 there is my dad lives just 2 houses down the lane. So here we have to write never. N-A-I-G-H-B-O-U-R, never. My neighbor lives just 2 houses down the lane. Now the second is the dash studied hard for their examination. So here we have to write the word that is students. Okay, S-T-U-D-E-N-T-S, students. Now third is the dash drinks milk from the bottle. So here we have to write child. The child drinks milk from the bottle. Okay student. Now come to the next number 4, that is Raj dash bought him a new book. So here we have to write parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Raj's parents bought him a new book. Okay. In number 5, the dash flew high in the sky. So we have to write here birds, B-I-R-D-S, birds. In number 6, the dash took a break after practice. So we have to write here dancer, D-A-N-C-E-R-S, dancers. Okay. Now in 7, Sohini went to watch the film with her dad. So here we have to write cousins, C-O-U-S-I-N-S, cousins. Okay. In number 7 we have to write cousins. In number 8, the dash made her bed and clean her room. So here we have to write servant. Okay, servant. Now the next number 9, the dash led the student to their classroom. So here we have to write teacher. Here we have to write teacher. So T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. And number 10, my dash threw a surprise party for me on my birthday. So here we have to write friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. So student, like this we have to complete this all exercises of chapter number 7 in our book, and after that we should write this given exercises in our notebook with a good handwriting. Okay student, so I hope is that clear to you that how could you complete this all exercises in your book and after that in your notebook. So that's it for today. Now after completing this chapter, we're going to start the next one, that is chapter number 8. So dear student, that's it for today. I will start the next chapter in my next video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.